Hello, a very good evening, students. So today we will continue with motion and we're going to start numericals. We have done numerical earlier also, but those numerical are based upon acceleration and speed and distance. So today we are going to do numerical on the basis of the formula which I have already notified you. Like V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, 2as is equal to v square minus u square. I have already notified its derivation and its graph on the in my previous video. So let us continue with the numericals. So first numerical is a bus starting from rest accelerate in a straight line at a constant rate of 3 meter per second square. Calculate the distance traveled by the bus during this time interval. Now we have given a bus starting from rest. If the bus is starting from rest, therefore its initial velocity, it means u would be 0. And we have given acceleration which is 3 meter per second square. We have given the time is equal to 8 seconds and we need to find the distance. It means we need to find the s. Now we have given u, we have t, we have a. So we'll apply this formula ut plus half at square. We cannot apply this formula because in this formula v is used but v is not given anywhere. So we have given with the u, t and a. So we'll apply this formula, second formula of motion to solve this. S is equal to ut plus half at square. U is 0. Time is 8. Acceleration is 3 and time is 8. 8 square 64. 32. It would be 0. 32 into 3 96. So the distance would be 96 meter. This is very quite simple question. Only we need to understand the terms which are given in the question, and by using those terms we need to verify which formula is to be used, and by using the formula we can simply done with the answer. Next question is a car start from rest. If a car is starting from rest, therefore u would be 0. And acquires a velocity of 54 km per hour. Velocity of 54 km per hour. It means this would be a v 54 km per hour. Let us convert it into meter per second in the first step. 18 3 is 54. So velocity would be, final velocity would be 15 meter per second. Okay, and we have given time 2 minutes. So 2 minutes into second, 2 into 60. It means 120 seconds time. And we need to find acceleration, distance. Assume the motion of the car is uniform. Okay, so we need to find the acceleration, and for acceleration is v minus u upon t. V is 15, u is 0, time is 120. 15 8 is 120. It means your acceleration is 1 by 8 meter per second square. Now we have find out the acceleration. Now we need to find out the distance. Distance is, we can apply the formula ut plus half at square, or 2as is equal to v square minus u square. But this would be very simple. So we'll apply s is equal to ut plus half at square. Because u is 0, hence this term would become automatically 0. And it would be easy to do calculation. Hence we can apply that formula also, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. We can apply both the formula. But this would be simple. If you wish to apply this formula, then you can. U is 0, T 120, A is 1 by 8, T is 120 into 120. 60, 60 into 120, 720 upon 8. (900 meter). Answer would be 900 meter distance. If I apply this formula, then see, V was the 15, 2 into 1 by 8 into S is equal to 15 into 15 minus 0. 2 4s, S is equal to 15 into 5. 15 into 5 is 75. V square 15 into 15, 2s, 2 into 1 by 8, so it would become 1 by 4. S by 4 is equal to 15 into 15. So S is equal to 15, 15 is 225, 225 into 4. 900 meter. So by using both the formula, we have the solution would be same. So whether we will use this formula or this formula, your answer would be same. Third question, a bus start from rest. It is starting from rest, therefore u would become 0 and moves with a uniform acceleration of 1 meter per second square. Acceleration is 1 meter per second square for 5 minutes. Time is equal to 5 minutes. Let it convert to second. 5 minutes में कितने सेकेंड हो जाएंगे? 300 seconds. We need to find speed. We need to find distance. Now we have given u, we have given a, we have given t. So simply by putting the formula s is equal to ut plus half at square, we can find out the distance. u0, a1 and t square, 300 square. 150. 150 into 3, 30, sorry 300. ये आपका आ जाएगा 45,000 meter. It means 45 kilometer. Now we need to find the speed. Speed, it means velocity. We need to find the final velocity. So v is equal to u plus at, u0, a1, t 300. The final velocity would be 300 meter per second. Is it clear? Very simple. कोई डिफिकल्ट कैलकुलेशन नहीं है. सिंपल हमको फॉर्मूला लगाना है और 3 ही फॉर्मूलाज हैं एंड इजीली आपका आंसर निकल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A car is traveling with the speed of 36 km per hour and retards the car uniformly. The car is stopped in 5 seconds. Find the retardation of the car. Retardation is negative acceleration. Find the retardation of the car. Distance traveled before it is stopped after applying the brakes. S find out करना है और हमको negative acceleration find out करनी है. नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन का फॉर्मूला आपका सेम ही रहेगा, v माइनस यू अपॉन टी. बस उसमें आपके पास जो साइन होता है वो माइनस, वो ऑटोमेटिकली माइनस का आ जाएगा. u है हमारे पास 35 किलोमीटर पर आवर, सॉरी 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो लेट अस कन्वर्ट इन मीटर पर सेकेंड. 18 2s, ये आपका आ गया 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. अब फाइनली जब ब्रेक लगेगी तो फाइनल वेलोसिटी उसकी क्या हो जाएगी? 0. सो v वुड बी 0. t इज 5 सेकेंड. बस वी हैव गिवन दिस टर्म्स. Now we need to find here acceleration and distance. A is equal to v minus u upon t. V is 0, u is 10, t is 5. Minus 10 upon 5 is equal to minus 2 meter per second square. This would be your acceleration. Now we have given acceleration, so we need to find s. So we can easily apply the formula 2as v square minus u square. By using this formula you can also find, and by using this formula you can also find s is equal to, दोनों मेथड से मैं आपको बता देती हूँ करके ताकि आप कंफ्यूज ना हो. ए था आपका -2, वी था 0, यू था 10, 10 का स्क्वायर 100. ये आपका आ गया -4s -100. एस इज इक्वल टू 25 मीटर. माइनस माइनस कट हो गए यहाँ पे, तो एस इज इक्वल टू 25 मीटर. अब इसमें चलते हैं. यू था आपका 10, टी था 5, ए था -2, टी था 5, 5 का स्क्वायर 25. -1 50 -1 into 25 -25, 50 minus 25 25. So s is equal to 25 meter. So by applying both the formulas we have come with the same answer. A car start from rest, it means u is 0 and moves along the x-axis with constant acceleration of 5 meter per second square. A is 5 meter per second square for 8 seconds. Time is 8 seconds. If it then continue with constant velocity, what distance will the car cover in 12 seconds? Since it started from rest, u 0 है. अब इस केस में इनके 8 सेकंड के लिए हम पहले v निकाल लेंगे. ठीक है. इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, 8 u 0 था, a 5 है और टाइम 8 है. बाद में कह रहे हैं कि जो उसने वेलोसिटी अटेन करी है वो उसी वेलोसिटी पे कांस्टेंट चल रही है, यानी कि फाइनल वेलोसिटी क्या हो जाएगी जो हम इसमें से निकाल लेंगे. फिर हमने 12 सेकंड का टाइम एज्यूम करके हमने फाइंड आउट करना है कि कितना डिस्टेंस उसने कवर किया.